Hi, it's Ms. Todoric, and today we are going to insert a hyperlink into our HTML code. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website, and we're going to copy and paste the tags we need to insert the hyperlink. Then we're going to open up Notepad and watch our previous lesson. So this is our website that we've created so far. I'm going to paste it at the end of this third paragraph, and then I'm going to type and change the URL. So I'm going to copy and paste, and we'll have it go to Canva. So I'm going to Control C to copy, Control V to paste in Notepad. And I'm going to change the link text right here. And I'm going to type click here to design a logo on Canva. And then I'm going to have that link go to the Canva website. Perfect. So then we're going to go up to File, Save As, index.html, save it to the desktop, replace the existing file, click yes, then you're going to minimize, and then you're going to open up Index, and this is the website we have, everything we've done so far, 3 paragraphs, we did bold, we changed the background color, music, and then you're going to click on the link, and it's going to go to Canva. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying these lessons. Till next time. Bye.